Alright, now the subtraction part. Okay, it's still the most important thing is to line up the decimals. Okay, if a number does not have a decimal, place a 0 at the end along with 2 zeros. Okay, so you're doing the same thing. You are putting zeros as the placeholder. Okay, so this one does not have a decimal, so I'm going to put it at the end. Now, on the other one, it was just the number that had the most digits goes on top. But with this one, you have to put the greater value on top. So 100 is bigger than 55. So I'm going to put 100 with a decimal on top. And I'm going to put another decimal right there. And I'm going to put these numbers around the decimal where they go. Now I'm putting a placeholder right there. And I can subtract now. Okay, with this, I definitely need to borrow. This is going to be 10, this is going to be 9, 9, and this 1 is going to 0. 10 minus 4 is 6, bring down the decimal. 9 minus 5 is 4, 9 minus 5 is 4. So, for that one, my answer is 44.6. Okay. This next one, I have 6.254 minus 1.8. Okay, so what has the greater value? 6 and some change or 1 and some change? Okay, 6 would. So I put that on top, 6.254, and I line up the decimals. 1.8 goes below it, and I have these placeholders I'm going to put zeros in. 4 minus 0 is 4, 5 minus 0 is 5. 2 minus 8, I'm going to need to borrow. This is going to be 12, and this is going to be 5. 12 minus 8 is 4. Line up your decimals. 5 minus 1 is 4. So my answer is 4.454. Okay, this one is a little bit different because now we have negatives thrown in there. These first two were just a big number minus a small number, the same kind of subtraction that you've been doing for years. But this one has negative 82 plus 11.5. It's an addition problem, so we ask ourselves, are the signs the same or different? Well, the signs are definitely different, so that means that we're going to subtract. Different signs subtract. You can do your scoreboard to figure out which one is going to win. You have 82 on the negative team and 11 and some change on the positive team. It doesn't matter what was after that decimal. 11 and any number is going to be less than 82. So the negatives definitely win. Alright, so what has the greater value? 11 and something or, 82 and something or 11 and something? 82 does, definitely. So I have 82 on top with a decimal behind it, and then I have 11.5 below it. I line up these decimals. I need to put a placeholder of 0 right there, and now I can subtract. 0 minus 5 I can't do. I'm going to need to borrow. This is going to be 10, and this is going to be 1. 10 minus 5 is 5. Bring down that decimal, line them up. 1 minus 1 is 0, 8 minus 1 is 7. Okay, and don't forget, our answer is negative. So, your answer would be negative 70.5. Okay, so that's a refresher on addition and subtraction with decimals. Please don't make mistakes with your decimals.